Employment is a major concern in Europe. Currently, there are 26 million unemployed European citizens. That's 11% of the economically active population. The European Parliament is investing significant energy to improve this situation. Youth unemployment in the EU stands at 23.4%. This unacceptable waste of talent has motivated the European Parliament to start promoting the Youth Guarantee Scheme. This aims to ensure that all Europeans under 25 are either offered a decent job, a training course, or an internship within 4 months of graduation or job loss. What about people who would like to work abroad? The European Parliament now also makes the recognition of professional qualifications in other EU countries easier. This recognition can take on various forms. How about an electronic card that offers European employers a guarantee? Or an online platform to recognise professional qualifications, which allows for updates of education and training. But that's not all. Take Erasmus Plus, for example. This programme, intended to support youth, education and sports, will invest nearly 14.5 billion euros, which the European Parliament has worked hard to secure. Annually, Erasmus Plus enables 400,000 students to undertake an internship abroad and also entitles master's students to a scholarship. When it comes to balancing out the negative effects of globalization on European employment, the European Parliament has also secured 3.5 billion euros for the Globalization Adjustment Fund, designed to assist people who have lost their jobs due to the economic crisis by helping them in their job search and providing training or retraining. Job creation, improved mobility, easier access to training. The European Parliament legislates on issues that matter to you. The European Parliament and you. Together we can act, react and make an impact.